Buying crypto in Canada can be confusing, but not anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDC through Paytrie and swap it for Shiba Inu tokens fast and hassle-free. First, head over to Paytrie and log into your account. If you don't have one, no worries, it's super easy to set up. Now, select USDC on Ethereum and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Next, grab your Ethereum wallet address. If you're using MetaMask, Coinbase, or Exodus, this is where you'll send your USDC. Time to complete the payment. Paytrie will guide you through using Interac e-transfer. It's a quick and easy process.
Now click on Pay with Interact and find your bank institution in this list and log in and accept transfer. Once you complete the payment, your USDC will be sent to your Ethereum wallet. Just sit tight. It should arrive in about 60 minutes.
Now it's time to turn that USDC into Shiba Inu. First, head over to uniswap.org. Click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. You can choose MetaMask or whichever Ethereum wallet you're using. Select USDC as the token you're swapping and search for Shiba Inu as the token you want to receive. If it doesn't show up right away, you can paste the official contract address, which you can find on CoinGecko. Now enter the amount of USDC you'd like to swap. You'll see how much Shiba Inu you'll get in return, based on current exchange rates. Before confirming, take a moment to double-check everything: token amounts, gas fees, and swap rates. Click Swap, then confirm the transaction. Once you confirm, the transaction will be sent to the Ethereum network. Just wait a few moments and boom, you'll see your Shiba Inu tokens in your wallet once the transaction is confirmed. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.